Good morning, friend. This is Jeff Arcos. Welcome again to the daily webinars of GMT Live Forex. And remind you, this webinar is not meant to be a financial advice to anyone. This is only an education presentation. Please consider term and condition before you continue, saying when you receive in this record. As well, thank God for another day into my life, and I pray His blessings today in Jesus' name. Amen. All right, good morning. So back again to the date, and let's have a look. What do we have for today? Let's go through the chats quickly so we continue with the lesson that yesterday we were going through. 1 o'clock, we got the RB8. Someone wants to speak there. And then 9:45, we got the Euro main refining rates, monetary policy statements. 10:30, press conference, and US has core durables good. So seems like it's for the European a bit hectic day. After midnight, we don't have nothing from there. Okay, so let's have a look where the charts. I think this is the one. So right, we start with the dollar on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So we got a setup over there, and I got the order now. Now on Thursday it's continued. Today it is not that strong, and yeah, hopefully this is gonna be a final break for this one, because otherwise things will no, continue going and nowhere at the end of the day. Pound New Zealand, we got a trade Monday, Tuesday break even, got to stop out the break even. Then we got a trade on the buy, and unfortunately, I don't know what happened yesterday. Think I was shifting something and I forgot to put it there, so I put it just in the morning. But anyway, yesterday would be somewhere over there breakthrough, so that was quite good out of that consolidation. Beautiful support, and the pound New Zealand is going in his direction. Euro New Zealand Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, we do have an opportunity to go long, and then the market never triggered over there because we got 10 pips, and the 10 pips has to be a big cross through. So, and it just keep traveling through there, and it did not trigger through the night. So, not try from that. New Zealand, US, we got at set up there in the sell, and today we continue with that sell, looking towards that there. So New Zealand US is in the low numbers, so at the moment it can go um, can go nowhere until we don't have some strength. New Zealand yen, we did have 12 pips, then the market stopped me out with another 12 pips. Then we're looking for short on Wednesday, based in what we see over there. And I didn't say Siri. Why you turn it off? And today, so yeah, so I don't know what happened here. Yeah, yesterday some reason I was playing up there, disconnect the E8 and forgot to connect it back again. Anyway, so here would be the tray, and yeah, see what happened today. New Zealand yen again, we are in a very low number over there. Pound Australia, nothing Wednesday, and today we have now something quite good. Beautiful trend line. This is a weekly trend line, daily breakout. We got the index meter with us, so we were talking yesterday, and this one actually the previous day I got at a trade from there, and the market just break through quite nicely. Pound yen, we're looking to go short, and the short got triggered, and then now I moved my stop yesterday. I stayed yesterday until very late. Yeah, when the market did London time, someone over there move over there. So actually, it's not tried. It got some lost there. So today we're looking to go long. The pound definitely is being sideways because it seems like there's a change now on the market, and we'll see from there. Euro Australia, the same. We got a sell, trail around, so that's another loss. And today we got a setup to go buy with this one. Yeah, yesterday definitely back up with the EA and Euro Australia. Today we got a setup to buy about this level, and we'll see from there. Pound Canadian on Monday, we're looking to go short. The market goes short, got the 30 pips off, and then I got the long, and the long is sort of kind of surviving now from there until today. Pound US, we're looking to go short. The market got the short and got 9 pips there, and today possible we got at a shoulder, head and shoulder over here, and I don't know why I forgot to put the other one over there. So, but that's definitely looking to go long today. The Euro Yen Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we do have a setup. Thursday it is sticking there in its very small loss. Euro Canadian we're looking to go short. The market triggers get the 30 pips off. Then the following we're looking to go long, and then the market did not trigger a trade. And today now we're looking to go short. That's a nice setup for today. So the short already got it from there, and we'll see what it's continue. Euro US looking to go short. Short broke out through there, and it got just by trailing the stop manually. Got too close, but the reason I got too close is because where we are over here, these things we don't know whether this is gonna continue over there, so it's a better just get at get some pips out of there and walk away, isn't it? So that's the best way to do it. Australian US Monday, Tuesday we got a setup to go short, and the market got triggered, and until today the market is in a bearish move. Then we got the US Swiss from last week. The trade will continue, and today, yesterday we did have a setup to go long, and the market got the long, got the 21 pips because I moved to that previous low, the stop loss, and nothing for today. US yen, we got a setup here on Wednesday, and nothing has happened from that the day. So still looking to go long with this one. US Canadian, we got a no setup. So that was the setup from there, and got a break even. So today continue looking to go long as we are in a break over there. So, but anyway, so break even. That's good. Australian yen, we're looking for a good day, and that was the date. And to date actually is a nice break from that. So setting up now. In Canadian yen, we were in a short. Market got a stop out minus 20 pips, and today we're still into that. So it hasn't really, it's breaking down, but it hasn't really moved much. Swiss yen Monday, Tuesday they go up. Wednesday we got a stop out, and then nothing of today as the market is playing over there. On gold, we this Monday we're looking for a setup. Tuesday looking for a setup, and then now we got a setup to go short over there, and the short didn't get it, and now we got a setup to go long. So it's been not quite interesting. So that definitely a nice breakout to the GC, and yeah, that could be have a look. Then I would have another trend line over there for tomorrow. See what happens. So that's all we add there. US oil and Monday we're looking to go short. Tuesday got triggered, Wednesday got a stop out, and today is another opportunity to set up. So that's a nice ABC. Come back to the golden candle, and there we are here. So back again. So waiting for the market to pull back or break below. Let's see today. S&P 500 was in a short position, got a stop out, a short position, buy position got triggered as the market breaks that trend line. Um, and again, we got a monthly up, weekly down, and day up over there, and that's quite nice setup. S&P 500 goes through, and well, still going there. So here it again, monthly is up, weekly is down, day is up, and there we are. So beautiful setup, and that was a trade Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There we are. So wow, this is going good. But we did what we know. Germany got there, come back, and now it's breaking up. So yesterday didn't open this market. Otherwise, today is a good day to enter with the stop loss over there with Dash. This definitely is breaking up. Now, if we do a Fibonacci target over there, we would have a big thing there. All right. So UK 100. Market comes down, stop out. Market is playing. So here we don't have really much to do. Japanese market, that is the break on Wednesday, and there it is. So it's looking now. So stops is over there, and I'm looking to go long from there. Bitcoin is still playing the whole week. It hasn't much doing. It's still holding that. I like this what I see here, as you already explained you why. So this is where my eyes are getting into tune up. So hopefully will not come anymore. So that's my maximum stop loss. I will from that point will not move. I was preempting a little bit of the trade, but that's me, and I'll see there. So here Ethereum, the same thing. I'm looking that. Keep my eyes open there, and that again. So it hasn't happened nothing. So waiting maybe this weekend for an explosion move. So from there, Litecoin the same. And again, that's a nice pullback. That's what I was saying. Waiting for that moment. So that's where we are in getting ready. So the whole week as well, it hasn't too much. But today it looks to me that Litecoin is moving. So if you got something with altcoins to do, that's a good time to buy from there. All right. Okay, so we finished with that. So let's look now our new project about that. So I did fix up a little bit yesterday, stayed until late last night. So this is the daily strength, the one that I was showing you today. So as you see, this is now I have ordered according to the groups, the US groups, the yen group, and then it comes the euro group and the pound group. So 19 currencies only. And in the future, maybe I will eliminate the Swiss yen and as well the Swiss yen, which in the US Swiss. So to leave in 17 currencies to look at the end. But let's look over there. So that's Monday. So what I see here, like I said, here is no technical analysis whatsoever. I want to make sure to trade the color changing from above to below. Don't change below to the midline. The trend color has changed. Index meter is with there, and that it is the market triggers over there, flies over here, and today it's got 64 pips. So that was a good run. Unfortunately, the thingy moved too close, and but maybe, as I say, it got some support over there, so that's why I say I better get down there. The pound on Monday is over there, so we got over here, over there, so the market came to the midline, touch a Monday, Tuesday run, Wednesday continue, and Thursday now is changing. So I got whatever is profit from there to there, and now it's moving towards, as we see here, the color has changed. Now this is nice shoulder, head and shoulder. I can see over there is about the midline. The Donchian has changed, so today breaking from there. Okay. Australia, Monday I'm looking to that with the system. The market is on a bearish. Tuesday got trigger as the market pulls and runs from there. Wednesday run completed, and Thursday is still into that. So 4 days is good profit. 3 days, 4 days is quite nice profit to take in consideration. And until today, the Australia is still on the top. So maybe it will continue on his run. So I got a quite conservative stop loss. New Zealand US, I'm got on a buy holding there. The buy got close, and this date, the same day that we were looking over here, New Zealand was weak, the US was strong, so that's what I'm looking over there, just to put my stop loss what could be there, and then 10 pips below over there, get the sell or whatever is going to be from there, and there it is. So I'm gonna close the buy in positive, open the sell. And Tuesday, Wednesday is continue, and Thursday is gonna be stopping out at the moment. Still a profit, can't complain it, but yeah, New Zealand US is in a very low. I believe maybe I will still continue holding that short position over there. That's just for me only a pullback. So tonight I will be continue looking um, into that. US Canadian, I'm looking to go long. The long got trigger uh, on Wednesday, and then got a stop out over there. I still continue to look for going long over there. Even the numbers are not in my favor at the moment. US yen, the US is strong, the yen is weak, so nothing more. Nothing happened Tuesday. Wednesday got trigger. Got a stop out with 18 pips, and now back again into looking to buy from here. Okay. Here last week you got triggered from that market, already secured some profit. Market got close the profit, open a buy from now and there, the US Swiss, and come back and again. So the US is not really doing a nice job. Euro yen on Monday, Tuesday got trigger, Wednesday continue, and Thursday that's where we are. So that's looking just on a daily base. Pound yen, looking to go short, and because this is what it was, the pound, the yen is stronger than the pound, so it will bring the market down, and nothing happened over there. No big numbers, so they still looking to the short. Got to stop out once because of the bar. Second time, go through it, and now is we're looking to go buy. So struggles over there, and that's a nice ABC setup. There we have, and that could be possible. A good run about that level over there. Australian yen. Australian is very weak, more weak than the yen. So the color is there, nothing is there. The market comes, triggers in that place, go through, runs, and until today is still into that good run. New Zealand yen, fortunately, got trade too high. The market comes, stop me out to this level over there. Got the short position with that on Tuesday. Uh, Wednesday got trigger, and until now, yeah. So got two trades, one from there and the other one from here, and running from there. Canadian yen. Um, didn't put it here. What is Canadian? Canadian is there. So looking to go long. With this one, the long did not work. Then looking to go short. The short got trigger, and until now hasn't done much. So the stop loss is in a minimum there. Swiss yen Monday, Tuesday got trigger, Wednesday got a stop out. Then we got a trade to go short, and the market just went silly with the Swiss yen. But never mind, that's how sometimes happen. Euro Australia Monday, I'm looking to go. I got a sell, but then as well looking to go long. And the sell got a stop out. The long didn't get trigger. And today, I'm continue looking to go long as the Euro Australia is there. So it's a nice settle there. The market come back, and that could be a nice opportunity. Euro Canadian looking to go short, didn't get trigger, and now looking to go long on Tuesday, then didn't get triggered either, and then on Wednesday looking to go short, did got trigger, and this is what it is. So it's been not very nice this Euro Canadian at the end of the day. Euro New Zealand go stop entry, stop out today at again with 30 pips in that. And I don't have nothing up to date with this one. Pound Australia go long, got to stop out, another long again with a very small stop, and then the market has run, and that's what is now running. So there we are. Pound Canadian definitely go short over there. The pound is -5, Canadian is plus +4. We got a shifting over there, so and that's what sell got trigger and got a stop out with 20 pips, and then it got the other way around on the pound New Zealand. That was on, yeah, that was here, pound Canadian. I forgot to put the line over there. So right over there, and market just got break, go through, and today pound Canadian unfortunately got off from that. So continue looking to go long at the moment. Pound New Zealand short, now looking to go long in that, and oh no, pound Canadian again. So mess up there. That's the pound New Zealand. So the number 3 is wrong. I have to fix that one there. But anyway, so this is when and this is now Thursday. So if we're looking over there, this is when everything is changing. Like I said, it's taking the winners with the losses. But this is, yeah, quite cool system there. All right. So yeah, so that's really, and this one. So I will keep that the margin. Just looking over there, um, and then yeah, I will call. I haven't done the weekly candle, the weekly strength. This is only in the daily. Just time got me into my hands today. But one of the benefits from here always is gonna be that it's quite easy to follow at the end of the day. All right. So someone said to me yesterday about to going back. So for people who now you can turn it off the video. Just going to go through that through here. Uh, And I'm gonna need to eliminate, and maybe just gonna. All right, so we talk about the monthly and the weekly, how powerful they are, these rules, and and this is actually sort of kind of um, good way of looking, into the market. What is my thing there? There. So that every time we see these kind of formations, we can clear, get into trades like these ones, um, like this one's there. So a monthly down, sorry, the monthly up over there, weekly down, and then following that trade. So the main key in here is that when you look in, a break, like this kind of break, what is this one? Um, so when we see in the monthly, that setup is exactly what I'm looking over there. This is when your eyes has to be over there. All right. So when you see that, when we see this is when we need to be looking. All right, because this is where the opportunities can happen. And then we come to the weekly, and there when I'm looking opportunities like this one. So in other words, instead of looking the monthly going short, our eyes are tuned to looking, okay, when is gonna be the opportunity to go long. So here is another one. We're looking for the first week to go up. We're looking there for the first week to go up, and as you see, it's quite easy and simple. So if you don't have much time to look into the market, this is a very easy way to pick few. It's special. I believe it are actually quite strong moves, and always looking for that weekly that is going to give us the turning point, and so that's the month over there. So Helen was saying something yesterday about the success she's having so far with this strategy, and this is quite very clear, to look in the way that so right over there I'm looking to go short, right over there I'm looking to go short, and this is if we continue holding in that point of view, um, I think that is there it is a great strength indicator. So Richard said I still having problems to see. Um, we have talked a lot about retracement is our frame. So if this is a breakout, how am I gonna measure retracement over here? The only way that I can believe I measure retracement is by waiting this month. So this is the monthly chart. So the market has break a trend line, and this month retrace. Everyone would be looking to go long here, isn't it? But instead of me to looking go long, I come over there and looking for the opportunity to go short. So I'm trading, so I'm using the weekly index meter over there or over there is to trade opposite direction than the monthly. So that's what I mean. And this is only once a week, that you're looking for these opportunities over there. You're looking for these opportunities over there, to try from there, So for example, that month, it finished up, and really in this month, what I'm looking over here already we got a little bit weak over there. So it's already telling me it didn't go too much, but that's fine. But you see, once they went, because if we cannot get the trade right in the top over there, then we chasing the market by trying to trading over there. But if we're waiting for the for the monthly to pull over there. So the monthly says, oh, look, if here I can say this is a beautiful support over there. Let's go up. But instead of that, I'm waiting for the first week to go opposite to the monthly strength, and then look to go short. All right. So the same thing is on here. So if I look over there, the same thing. Um, I can draw a trend line over there, and it says, okay, it looks quite good. And as unfortunately, few months went actually down. But what I'm looking in this retracement of the monthly over there is for this week. So the monthly says, down, but I'm waiting for that weekly to turn it around. And then, the market retrace again in that week. So yes, what I'm looking here is that the weekly index meter will point me to these low points and telling me, you know, then I want to see this here, like exactly like we see in crypto now at the moment, and all the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin is exactly what I'm trying to say at the moment. So when I see these pullbacks, so I'm looking for this week over here. So I'm using the weekly index meter to trade against the monthly strength. So that would be the closest um, expression that I can say. So I'm looking right over there, the weekly index meter to trade against the monthly strength. The monthly says to go short, but I know that retracement is my friend, and right over here is the opportunity to trade. If here the market, if we draw a line over there, the market breaks and it pulls. Retracement is our friend. All right. So what we're waiting here is for the setup. We're waiting for this week, and this is where the weekly index meter every Monday will point us to that. So when we look at that and this one over there, then I believe we have a try to do, and it's few weeks from there, and then if the market again retrace over there, I believe it makes a lot of sense, for a special, very solid trades. This one can give us big, 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 and especially if in here as well, I'm looking for the weekly, for the daily breakout like this one. When the daily breaks that trend line, and I look that one there and say, wow, that's the day that to trade, or we just wait for the full week to finish over there. But this is how it should be looking now there. All right. So is that clear, Richard? Just let me know so I can. So there's another examples over here. So the market breaks over there. The market pulls over here, and right over there, I'm once now. I see the setup already, but look, I'm waiting 2 months for these setups to um, say when you say the strength is that the close of the candle or the index meter. No, I say the index. So what I say that, for example, in this situation over here, the setup, I'm waiting the weekly when the index meter is gonna point me to that. So for example, if here what I'm waiting is that this week over there, it will be marked down by the index meter over here. So if I come over here in the euro yen, it is on here, you know. So what I did here decides to me to go short. So what I do here is just to trade the weekly direction against the monthly strength. So the monthly is only giving us the right place to trade, but the right time to trade is when the weekly index meter point me to there. So because we can have, in the 70 or 19 currencies we're looking for, we can have so many opportunities like this, but the index meter will give us the strongest number to look over there. Okay, so that's my purpose in here. So that every time the market pulls like this one, as you say, the monthly is over there. And so therefore, for me, immediately, I'm not looking to go long because of the monthly set. Actually, I'm looking to go short when the weekly index meter point me to this week over there. And from there, I have another beautiful four weeks over there. And here, if I change the directions again, and I have that, then I'm looking again now to go long from there, isn't it? Because the market has break there, 2 months up, 1 month down, come back strong over there. Maybe this week, the second week, it was the one that point me. Only went 1 week over there. That's okay. But here we have. If you're looking, what we're looking is for the three candles turning points in the monthly, all right? But we're waiting for the monthly pullback over there. It's very, very sort of kind of, so here we got the three candles on the monthly, but what we're waiting for this monthly pullback. And once the monthly pullback is in place over there, then we come over here and said, okay, I'm waiting 1 week, second week. And that's when I went and decides to, yep, that for me is good enough. And a beautiful 933 pips from there. So the same thing, the market continue his, but look when the market is pulling up. Look at the monthly over there. So here I'm looking again. So in this case, didn't, maybe didn't work, but that's fine. Does not mean that it changed over there. And here's another pullback over there. So as we see, so the market did pull, went up over there, so sometime through the mid, and the first week that turns around, that is the week over here. So if I look that one there, I'm looking to go long, simple because that. So the market has break. So we're try to looking for an ABC sort of kind of setup from there. So jump in the first week that it turns around, go to stop out, maybe just only 1 week, 170 pips over there, and then there's another setup over here. So if we're looking through here, we'll see that the market, that pullback for me is a good opportunity to trade over there. So when we're looking, for example, that monthly over here, and so everyone's going to say, oh, look, the solid, strong months to trade over there, you see. But for me, this is retracement because this is the highest point, and here is when the market is coming back down. And that retracement is going to point me to trade that short, that short. Now, that was not a very profitable month, but look, another monthly over there up in the first week that turns around. So what we're looking is at the highest of this month over there, looking for short. At the highest of this month over here, I'm looking to go short. So that's all we're looking over there. At the highest of this month over there, I'm looking to go short. And look what a beautiful short setup they are there. Okay, so that's a very I guess the more we practice, the more we will see that. But the setups are quite good. I have seen a lot of setups that the market is coming through there. Now, now let's have a look now the weekly and the daily, and this is where now maybe implies, that the what we already said. So, for example, sometimes we have with the index meter weeklies like this one, isn't it? Do you agree with me? And the index meter actually says to us, oh, look, this week actually we should be looking to go short. Let's see if this one, the Euro New Zealand, is let's say this week here. So it's telling us to looking to go what short, and the candle is telling us with that. But what is happening here is that we already actually, this is not turning point in the market, isn't it? This is a retracement. So then I want to use the daily index meter to trade against the weekly strength. Can you see now? Can you see now what I said to you? I want to using this week over here, not to trade, because this is when the index meter maybe will trick you up, and this is when I have observed that the right over there, oh my goodness, don't play up with me. Right over there, if you're looking, you could say, oh, this is a golden candle setup, blah, blah, blah. But what we have, this is the highest point, this is the breakers over here. So that weekly, definitely the index meter, it will not point me to short. But what I'm wanting here over there is wait for the daily index meter for this magic day. What do you reckon there? So we're using the weekly index meter to trade against the monthly strength direction, and we're using now the daily index meter to trade against the weekly direction. Did anybody has a problem to understand the concept that I said right now? So here's another example over there. So right over here, look what we have over there. So at the end of the week there, and that's what you notice that in my chats as well, I have the, let me see, one of these ones. And this one, I have the weekly, the monthly and the weekly, so the weekly highs and lows over there. Can you see that? That's the monthlies, highs and low, but this one is the weekly. So this one helped me that if in this week that is down and the market, I have the weekly low and I have a day up, that's a trade for me. So in other words, we're going to be trading against the weekly strength in some places, but this is yeah already the market is defined, it's going through that, isn't it? But right over here, we're looking right in these high levels over there for the key day to trade shorts. What do you reckon, Helen, there? Do you think it now become even much, much sort of kind of, all right? So I hope so you understand the concept over there that when I'm looking, things like this one, the market is, for example, the first retracement is there. All right, I'm waiting for that key date over there. So we don't know how far is this gonna go. For example, this is very clear over there. Why? The market breaks over there, go up. If we look in the weekly index meter right here, what is gonna tell us? The weekly index meter is gonna tell us, oh, we're going short. And look, we got resistance over there. Let's look for short. And we wait for that short, isn't it? But instead of that, actually, what I'm looking with the weekly low, the indicator that I have over there, that when the daily point me over there, that's my run. Is anybody excited on the other side? It's only me that is exciting about this. Could you say that, we're still holding the same concept about trend, the retracement is our friend. And this is why we try to capture these retracements over here. All right. So, but remember, is when the market is already in his run. So that's a completely different. Um, this one, what is Euro New Zealand? Let's look the pound New Zealand. right. Pound New Zealand. What are you? Euro New Zealand. No, I don't think it says pound New Zealand in this new. I don't know if this one is any good. So I think the key point it will be is just to identify the three weeks like that. All right. So that's first of all we got a turning point over there. That's gonna be the first thing to identify every week. You know, we have a TP over there, and that's it. Then this weekly it turns around. And right over here, I want to be looking for the opportunity with the daily index meter when to trade short. Let's see very clear examples. For example, no, don't do that. Oof. Let's see that. This one and that one. And here we are. So we see that we have the break. All right. We have the weekly, the pulse. Now, when you look in the weekly index meter over there, it will tell you to look for longs, isn't it? But for me, this is a retracement. Here, maybe it was not clear, but right over there is telling me that right at the top of here, I need to be looking for something, which is the short position. And that's the big runs there. Hmm? If we see it there, we see here, we see there, the market breaks. That weekly, if we look in the index meter, it will tell us, you know, look for short, right? But right over here is, instead of that, we're looking to go long. So in this case, the market did not perform quite okay. But what I said in here that once the market is established from there, so for example, from here, you know, is the market established, every, you know, weekly pullback is actually an opportunity to for the continuation of the market. For example, look that one there. We're looking to go short, and that one there. Here, we're looking to go long against the weekly, but all depend on the index meter. So the same as we did with the monthly and the weekly, this is the weekly and the daily. So in here, the what I want to gain from that is that I want in the daily index meter trading against the weekly strength, you know. So if I look that, you know, the it's gonna tell me here, oh yeah, that looks to go short, to go long, because that's what the weekly, look how this is 100% close above. But because we know what has breakthrough, and we know that every month, every weekly pullback is an opportunity to what? For this key day over there, you know, for that key date over here. And nothing changed our mind to by looking, you know, in that direction over there. So so really now these opportunities we need to hunting around. All right. It won't be every day, but this is what I mean, you know. So simple like that. So this is a nice pullback over there, and from that moment, what I'm waiting from there. So you know, it's a daily down to try that one down. For example, if we look in that, can we see this is a very classic example over there, because what we see over there, the market has breaker trend line. It has the weekly pullback. Now, if we look in this on the index meter, the weekly index meter would tell us to look for short, isn't it, Richard? It would say to us here, look for short. But looking the retracement is our frame actually, and at the end of this week, I'm looking Monday and Tuesday. Time to go long, and that's at our target over there. All right, so that's quite nice. Now, if sometimes it just doesn't retrace, it just go through. But here's another one over there. So we got the break, we got the pullback, and we got the date over there. Now, if we just look for these setups, where Eric and David, is that setup fits to you? If the monthly and the weekly is exciting, look this weekly and daily with using the daily index meter, we point us to there. If we just got 4 trades like this one and setups, nice setups like this one, how much more you think of that? But you see, we're looking for a very, very, special setups that over there. And the same in the market is coming down over there. Look, those dailies pointing up. The market over there, and look the day that is there. That's a bit sort of, crazy. Look that way. I'm looking to go short. I'm looking to go short. I'm looking to go short. Short over there. And it's because the trend cost. Now, when we are here, it could be a bit, tricky there, but we need to just make the sense where we are. You see, the market has break over there, 2 weeks down, 1 week up, day, and that's you try. How exciting is that, huh? Now I'm ready to go to heaven, so I can leave you now with you. Look at that. You see the weekly index meter, it will scream to us there, oh, trade short, sorry, long, trade long, isn't it? But what we have right there, so we need to know the difference between a retracement and between what? A reversal. But look this gold gems that we have over there. And there we are, right over there, right in the top, 360 over there. Here, we got one loss over there. That's fine. No much. And right over there. Beautiful setup over there. What about that one there? What are you reckon, Helen? That's good strategy for you? Now trading against and this is what I got in this indicator, the weekly and the daily. I have the weekly. Actually, I'm gonna change this just in the weekly only put the monthly high and low, and then the daily only the weekly highs and lows. So I can travel over there. But the more you're looking, they are. Retracement is our frame. We need to continue singing that song. Retracement is our frame, and we will be fine. All right, my friend, it's nearly 1 hour, so I hope so you're enjoying today this second part of the lesson. And yeah, we will continue just looking like that. As I said, I keep looking for these other strategies that I have. I believe it's quite nice as well to look at. But this, the weekly, monthly to weekly, and weekly to daily, are actually quite nice to to try from there. All right. So we see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Have a beautiful day. And Richard, give me 10 minutes, and then I call you so we can log in over there. All right. It's just gonna process the video. Cheers and bye.